Yo guys, Tilly Fox here, and today we gotta show you my new pet bird. His name is Chirp. Houtweety, yeah. It was kinda hard to decide a name for him. My big sister over here thought it would be Ari based off of Gene Animation's bird. But I decided to name it Chirp Houtweety. I can't remember the name apparently. But yeah, this is my new bird. He's so freaking cute. The guy who trying to sell this to, he said that he didn't really want us to get the bird. He wanted, I guess, like some kind of dragon, something like that. But yeah, he obviously didn't like birds much. So yeah, he's just trying to get used to everything right now. Yeah, he's pretty cute so far. He's being a good bird so far. Yeah, right, Tweety. He was trying to be like escapist. He was trying to be like Houdini, so that's why he named Houdini. He kind of made me think of Blue from Rio, you know. And I thought Blue are a really good thing, but I kind of realized that was stupid. But yeah. What did I say about BB?
Well, I need some help. What is it? Oh yeah, bird. When this bird is so cute, I always try to watch him, cause I try to watch him so he can't escape, and that's why I watch him every day, and also make sure that Duke doesn't get him.
Duke's our dog, you know who Duke is. So yeah, this is our new pet. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoy our little pet bird. If you do, make sure you like, make sure you comment and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. As always, stay cool.